Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another unboxing of something you will like a lot. We will be opening this package and seeing what it is. So we see what it is. It's come in a good packaging. I ordered it from Flipkart because Amazon did not have it. It is the Google Home Mini. I wanted to buy this before as well, but I did not get a chance to. So we're going to be opening this to see how to see what you get in it and how it works and stuff like that. But first we're going to check its features. So Google Home Mini. These are all its connections and all the partners. The Google Play Music and light bulbs and all of that. YouTube and I presume Spotify as well. And okay, let's see this. Small and mighty. Google Home has the Google Assistant built in. It asks it questions, tell it to do things. It's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. So I guess you know what it is. So yeah. And okay Google, what is this and what is that? And all of that thing. Okay, and so now we'll be opening this. Okay, so you open it here from behind. Like that. Ooh. Okay, first look, it looks really cool. It looks cool. This is a really good rubbery finish so that it doesn't slip. And we keep it down for now. Okay, let's see what else you get in the box. Here, as expected, you'll get manuals. So let's get started. Manuals, warranty, all of that kind of thing. Okay, plug it in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini, get the app, download the app, and then compare the phone tablet, then follow the on-screen steps to finish the setup. Okay, you have to know Google. Oh wait, this is okay, it has touch controls. Okay, I didn't know that. Tap on the left, volume down, tap on the right, volume up. Okay, long press to play and pause on the left. Okay, on the right as well. And then there's a mic switch to turn on and off the mic. Just start with okay Google. Okay, yeah, and stuff like that. We will see after we put it on. And be safe. Okay, I guess this is all warranty and manual stuff. Yeah, this is all information if anyone wants to read. And I guess, okay, this is the power adapter. And it is a micro pin. Okay, do we get anything else in the box? Probably not. No, I don't think so. It's stuck there. Alright, so that's all we get in the box. Now we see how this thing works. Alright, let's power it and see what happens. You have the micro USB. Give it that.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so we've downloaded the Google Home app here, and we're going to set up home. Alright, so let's add devices here and see what it gets. Google Home Mini found. Would you like to set up this device?
Continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Now, as they have told in the manual, there are touch sensors at the side. So this is to decrease the volume, and this is to increase the volume. And there's if you press it long, it plays and pauses and plays the song. But I will not be playing songs as because of copyright. So, and okay, another thing, this speaker is very high in quality, sound quality, and its bass is really good. It is actually better than what I had expected it to be. Hey Google, set an alarm in 1 minute.
2:52 p.m. Set.
And this is the alarm. Hey Google, turn on my room light. Hey Google, put off my room light. Hey Google, turn on my room's fan.
Sure, turning my room fan on.
Turn off my room fan.
Sure, turning my room fan off.
I'm definitely sure that this Google Home Mini can do a lot more than just this, and it has a lot more features to it, and you all should definitely try it out. The link will be in the description.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video.